back here, and I've got something I want to put up for sale. It's my my beloved DJI Air 2S, and I want to pair it with the Insta360 Spear, which only fits two devices, the Air 2 and the Air 2S. So, as you can see, I have the boxes, for both of them here. I got the, let's see here, the devices right here. Here is the Spear first. Start out with the Spear just because I have it handy. This is the Insta360 Spear. There is the 360 lenses on both sides. And I have the lens protectors on them, so there's no scratches or anything on them. It's only been used a few times actually. And here's how you mount it on, and here's where the battery and everything is up here. All the buttons. So yeah, I've got kind of full videos about this on my Ron Brown YouTube channel. So if you want to see more on this, but perfect working order, no scratches, no dents, no defects of any kind on the Insta360 Sphere. So we're going to put that over to the side here, and we're going to go right to the right to the main event here. I have the let me buckle up here on things to the front. I have the Air 2S, kind of like the Fly More combo, right here in this hard case. I believe it's the Start RC hard case here. I don't see where it says Start RC, but I can just tell by the icon it's Start RC case. So these are great cases. They're waterproof. They have the air lock release system. They have the good handle. The good latches here. So these are very nice hard cases. And there's the drone. Everything comes with it here. Let me just get the pieces out very quickly here. We'll go right to the drone itself. There's the Air 2S. I have a propeller strap on it here, and let me unfold it here. This thing has never been crashed, never had to be sent back to DJI for any sort of repair at all. I never had any issues with it whatsoever. Almost not a mark on the thing. Here is the camera and gimbal. Have been of no issues to me at all. So yeah, it's for a drone that's over 3 years old, it's in very good condition. I also have the standard DJI RC controller for it here. This also is in perfect working order, no marks, scratches, anything on it either. I have 3 batteries for it. I have the one in the drone. I have 2 extras here. Now these are batteries that kind of came with the drone, so they are over 3-year-old batteries. So I haven't any issues on them. I still get a nice flight time out of them. I've never had that swelling issue that you see people have with it. I mean, I live in New Jersey, so I don't have the hot Florida sun or whatever. So again, no swelling of these batteries. No problems at all with these batteries. What else do I have here? I have some Freewell variable ND filters there. I have a kind of landing gear. I had that that device that lets you put this on a battery, and you could have 2 USB-A ports to charge something else. So in other words, the battery becomes like a power bank. I have more Freewell ND filters. These look like slash CPL and polarized filters, along with ND filters, like a mixture. That looks like it in this case here. I also have the DJI, I'm going to call it shoulder bag that comes with the DJI Air 2S. So shoulder bag is also in good shape. No defects, no scratches, nothing at all here. You've probably seen these before. Let me just open it up real quick here if I can figure out how to open it up. There we go. So if you've never seen one of these before, it has divided compartments for the drone, the controller, even like put a little tablet back there, batteries. So you know, these are nice soft cases too. I also have the multi-charger that came with like the Fly More combo. So there's where you can put 3 batteries on here, and there's your, you know, you get the power brick with it, and of course standard wall charger. You can also have has a USB-C to charge the controller. You know, along with the 3 batteries. I don't think at the same time, but if you want that same time capabilities, I have a third-party multi-charger here that charges, looks like 4 batteries at the same time. And this does charge more than 1 battery at once. You know, it's been so long since I used it. I don't know. I forget if it charges all 4 batteries at once, but it definitely charges multiple batteries at the same time. So that's available. And yeah, so I think I showed you everything here that I have. Already the drone's in perfect working order. Not a scratch on it from a hardware standpoint, software-wise. It's always been good. Camera's always been good. Just as of recently, I think as a beginning in December, you can scroll back in my YouTube feed and see why I did a camera comparison between this and the new Air 3S. I think it holds up pretty well. This has the 1-inch sensor on it with a 20 megapixel camera for photos. So yeah, it's certainly still very good camera wise. You know, these had a flight time of somewhere in the 30s or whatever. Of course, the batteries are older, so it doesn't get the full flight time it got in the beginning. You shave a few minutes off that, but you know, you can check you don't need me to write the specs down here. You could easily look the specs up for flight time and speed and all that here. But I got everything here as a kit. This is an unusual kit because it's coming with the Insta360 device. I'm kind of trying to hopefully get somebody who, you know, who wants this as a kit where they want to take the 360 photos and videos, you know, along with, you know, the other thing, the capabilities the drone has. The drone can record 5.3, 5.4K videos, so not too many. You know, this is maybe the only non-Mavic DJI drone that recorded 5K or better, so that's kind of unusual there too. So yeah, it has plenty of optical avoidance sensors. The drone had this kind of slanted optical avoidance sensors on the front there that kind of give you kind of a view of above and in front at the same time. So yeah, so if you have any interest in this, please hit me up on Facebook here. Any way you know how to hit me up, I'll leave my email if you don't want to contact me through Facebook. You make me an offer for, you know, everything on the table here, or some of the stuff on the table here. You know, I'll be willing to ship everything to you as long as, you know, the more you want, the more it's going to cost you in shipping costs or whatever. You know, I'll even say that maybe, you know, I'll handle the first whatever $10 in shipping, and then you pay whatever costs above that. So the more stuff you take, the more it's going to cost you, you know, for shipping. But you make me your best offer. You know, like I'm really trying to sell the drone and the Insta360 Spear camera as a kit. I mean, I know probably the first person is going to hit me up. But what about just the drone only? I mean, at some point, if nobody wants to buy the whole kit, I may go back to sell the drone only. But early days, I'm really not going to interested in selling just the drone until until I see if I can sell kind of everything as a kit. So I hope you understand that. Any questions, concerns, just hit me back with a comment. I'm going to post this video around a little bit here, maybe a couple different social media things. So just contact me any way you know how to contact me, or said I'm going to leave email. And just be as honest as I can on everything here. So that's about all I have to say on this. Again, I hope somebody's looking for a kit like this, and I'll be glad to work with you. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.